In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store sign-in error PUR authentication failure. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump free into it. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead, type in wsreset, then click on open. So hopefully this should fix your problem. It will reset your Windows Store. And then the next method that you can do is to go ahead and the search menu type in settings and then click on open. After that, just go ahead, access time and language at the left side. And then just go ahead, scroll down, click on language and region and just click on. As you can see right now, to change the region, this might help your problem if you are facing a problem in your region. After that, the third method is to go ahead, do a network research. So just go ahead to the search menu, type in network research, and then the first option, just click on open. And after that, just go ahead, click on reset now. Just make sure your Wi-Fi router is near you so you can always reconnect. After you that, just click on reset now and you should be all good to go. So this was how to fix Microsoft Store signing error, and as always, thank you for watching.